Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into Gemini Pro 2.5, which is Google's latest AI model that's reshaping how we create, design, and think digitally in 2025. From smarter problem solving to building the applications in minutes, this is a big leap forward. So let's get into it right now. First of all, it is going to give you smarter thinking with deep reasoning. So Gemini 2.5 Pro can break down the problems step by step before answering, giving more accurate and logical results. This works for coding, business planning, research, and even for the creative projects. It can take a simple prompt, like if I give it something like this. So it can take a simple prompt like this one and return clean functional code. It actually understands the UI layouts, animations, and even advanced refactoring tasks. With its built-in creative canvas, you can turn an idea into a creative prototype like quizzes, charts, mini applications, or even infographics without needing any kind of coding skills. It is not just the text and the code, but Gemini Pro 2.5 also works with the images, videos, and documents that makes it natural and central tool for the digital creators who want to move from the idea to the finished project faster. So Gemini Pro 2.5 isn't just another AI, it is a complete creative partner. So if you could have it built one thing for you today, what would it be? Tell me in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more AI updates. Thanks for watching.